Friends, hope you all are doing great. Thasin here. Today I'm here to talk about how to work in Google Sheets and also to avoid what is that called duplicates. So here you can see this is the data. Here you can see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how to avoid these duplicates? All we can do is there are two methods I will teach you today. So let it be how much ever data, just select the area actually which you need to be duplicate and select on data. Here you can see remove duplicates. So if I click on remove duplicates, here you can see actually it shows me to select all column A, column B. Yes, I want to select all the columns actually till H, and it is asking me whether it has a header row. Actually yes, it has a header row actually, but I don't want to. There is no duplication in that. And what I'm going to do is just I'm going to click on remove duplicates. So this is all about actually. So here you can see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the other duplicate has got removed actually. So the next procedure I'll show you how to remove your duplicates using query actually. So that is also very simple. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to really work on it. So what I'm going to do is now let me keep my cursor here so that I'll get a data here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to write is equal to unique, UNIQ. So here it comes off actually unique. So here you can see, and after that all you have to do is just you have to select actually from 6 to what is this called 11. So once I select it, actually it will automatically, it will show you A2 to H13. So now I'm just going to close this bracket and I'm going to click enter. So automatically here you can see data has got produced. So here you can see 6, sorry, let me show you. So here you can see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There is no duplication of data. So all you have to do is, I'll show you the formula again one more time. So is equal to unique, and the open bracket automatically it will close actually when you click on that suggestions list. So unique open bracket, and you have to select the range from which range to from which range and close the bracket and click. So once this will be done, so all the duplications will be get deleted. And next point comes to splitting. So let me talk you actually very interesting thing we have in Excel is actually splitting of, for example, first name is Thasin and second name is Begum, and something here we have something bread, and we have jam, and then actually we have what is that called, something Ram space Babu. So what I want to do is I just want this first name and second name actually to be in separate columns. So all I can do is just get into data, and here you can see split text to columns. I'll just split text to columns, and here a small icon will show actually. Just click on this arrow, and here it is asking me whether to delete, whether to give comma, whether to give semicolon. I'm going to click on space. So if I click on space, so here you can see bread, all that actually has got, I have given one space between bread and jam, so it has given one more space and it has written actually. And one more thing, let me show you, THASIN space, one more space, and then again I will write BEGUM. So I have given two space here, so one space I have given actually extra. So let's see what will happen actually. So I'm going to just split text to columns. Then I will click on here, and here I'll click on space. So here you can see because of that one space extra actually it is leaving one more space here. So this is all about here you can see this is our data, and here you can see some spaces there. 7, 8, 9, 10 is empty. When we work in a dynamic data actually, I mean to say when the things are changed in the main document in the combined sheet, it should not take this space. If I delete 4, it shouldn't affect it. So what I'm going to do is now I'll do is I will type a query so that it will apply here is equal to QUERY query I have written, and I'll write this query not here. I'll write this query so I will just select an area where I want. So I'll just select here so that I can get my data here. So what I'll do is I'll write my query here. So is equal to query so already it is showing me query, and now I have to open the braces. So after opening the braces, I have to select the range from where to where. So I will select from here till where this is my data. So I'll select here. So already it has got selected. Now I'm going to close this flower braces. So flower braces is closed. After I'm going to give a comma and I'm going to open an inverted bracket. I'm going to type, I'm going to give a command now, select star, means all data, select star, means all data, where WHERE, where column should be, C should be in capital, column 1 is not null. So I'm going to close this inverted bracket comma. I have given one header here actually along with that. So all I'm going to do is just close the bracket. So I'm going to click on it. So let me see here we have got our data. So wherever you want the data, you can just press that and write that. So let me show you how it is working. So here is my data has got produced. So this is my data. So it has not showing the 1 2 3 4 5 4 6 7 8 9 10 11. I don't have 5 here, so actually it has combined and there is no space between this two. So it, see here actually I have got the header because I have given the header at the same time, date, region, quality, products and everything. So this is the formula actually to combine any two what is this called, between spaces, and we can manage. And very important thing today I'm going to teach you is about, for example, again I'll show you this formula so that you need not to struggle while typing. So where is it? So here it was my data. So here you can see is equal to query, open braces and then flower braces. Then you have to select the range from which range to which range, and close braces, comma. So here in the inverted bracket you have to type the command because this is a query language. Select star, in the sense star I mean to say it is all data, WHERE, where column 1. So I have chosen here, this is the column 1 actually, where I have written the serial number. So when the column 1, if you're from starting from column 2, you can write column 2 is not null. I mean to say it shouldn't be empty, and close braces, comma 1 I have written because actually I have included even the header actually while selecting. Here you can see I have selected A1 also at the same time. That is my header. If you're starting from A2, then you can actually type here 0. So then again I have closed the braces and just given an enter. So wherever you type this, the data will start actually listing out from there. So this is about not to avoid the space in between these two. So for example, I'll show you if I try to what is it called, if I try to delete some data. For example, I'm going to delete this 3 and 4. So let me show you. I'm going to delete this data 3 and 4. So here you can see in my data there is no space. Let me show you. So the data has got removed 3 and 4, but there is no space. So this formula is useful actually when you make your what is it called, dynamic. When you want the changes to be done in your dynamic format, or else actually you don't want the space to be continued when you change in the main what is it called, in the main document. All the changes should be made here. So this is all about this what is it called actually, space. And now I'm going to tell you, for example, from Google actually you have, this is a Google page, so I'll show you. So here I have just this is a Google page, and here are some tables actually if you find very interesting from Google, and you want this table to be in your sheet. So it is very simple, it's a very simple query. I'll tell you how to really work on it. So let it be any table. I'm going to write my formula here. So I'm going to write is equal to import, import import. So it is showing me here HTML. So I'm going to click on that, and now I have to open the already it is open braces. So now I'm going to just inverted bracket open. Now I have to do is I have to just copy this URL actually of this page. Let it be in whichever page you have. So just I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. So let me paste this here. paste, and I'm going to again close this. And now after closing it, I'm going to give comma. Now I'm going to give table here because it's a table in that. So let me find in which table number 1 it is or table number 2, which table it is. I want to find it actually because they would have given n number of tables. We don't know which table it is actually. So table, I'm going to give one more comma, and I'm going to first one I'm going to type and then close this. So let me see, it is getting loaded. So here you can see prerequisite, the basic of HTML, introduction to HTML, objectives. So I think somewhere it is there, objectives and all that. That is the table 1. So let's see here, it is actually, this is the table 1. Okay, so let me find just on the same query, just try to delete this 1 and type 2 and check whether this is their table 2. So let's wait. So here it is the table Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So here you can see this is their table 2. So if you just change their table 1, table 2, table 5 like that, you will get many more data from this array. So this is the one actually which we have got here, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, all that. So if you want to actually extract detail from web search at the same time, you can do it using this Excel sheets. So this is all about today's session. Try to continue all my classes and regarding Excel sheet. Definitely you will, sorry, not try to have a look on all my Google Sheet course so that you can get a very clear idea. I have even given the link in the description below. So go and learn and explore more. Take care. Bye bye.